Hello guys, I watched the movie The Thunderbolts, the newest Marvel assemble, and it's quite a random assemble which Valentina also was quite surprised herself to announce it at the end. Although it was a very smart move on her part, which is her superpower, to think out of the box. The movie's theme is on loneliness, which seems to be prevalent among all superhero characters in this movie. It shows everyone in this world does feel that kind of emotions, and it can be really dangerous if you are a sentry. So the Bob the Sentry is the new character in this film, which has enough powers to be called a god. But one deficient thing he has is the control over his emotions, as he is a ticking time bomb when it comes to his mind stability. He nearly devours the whole city until, like any other anime, the power of friendship saves the day and seems like no one is hurt during the movie, although at first it looked like a nuclear holocaust in New York City. The one character standout was Valentina's assistant, who seems to be reliable character, although not a reliable assistant according to Valentina. But she does get her good coffee in bad times also, and she does save Valentina from Sentry, as she has conscience. She goes behind Valentina's back also before that and gives intel to Winter Soldier. About Winter Soldier, it was good to see Winter Soldier Bucky having a role as a congressman, and he does steal a scene when new Avengers assemble, and looks like everybody does look up to him when making decisions, including John Walker. The controversial Captain America, although doesn't get along with other members at first, does play an important role in forming the new Avengers, the Thunderbolts. Although the team looks up to the Winter Soldier, it is Yelena who is the lead in this movie, pushing her boundaries to help Bob the Sentry overcome his darkest fear through the power of friendship. As always, the movie has its Marvel moments with its humor, aided more by the Red Guardian insisting they are an awesome team called Thunderbolts, somehow getting the members stick together. The Ghost looked as like the strongest of them all, if you exclude Bob the Sentry. However, the enemy, knowing her weakness is sound, doesn't have the same team sometimes. All in all, I love the watching the new Avengers and waiting for the sequel for this Thunderbolts.